Enhance curb appeal. Curb appeal is the secret ingredient to grabbing a buyer's attention before they even step inside your home. The exterior of your property sets the stage for everything else, making it vital to create an inviting first impression. A well-maintained lawn, a freshly painted front door, and clean, trimmed landscaping signal to buyers that the home is cared for and move-in ready. Even small details like colorful potted plants or an upgraded mailbox can elevate your home's curb appeal. Buyers are naturally drawn to homes that exude charm and order from the outside. Power washing your driveway and sidewalks, cleaning windows, and ensuring your gutters are debris-free go a long way. Outdoor lighting adds a welcoming touch while improving safety, and updating hardware like doorknobs and house numbers shows buyers that the property is thoughtfully maintained. These seemingly minor changes pack a punch when it comes to creating a polished appearance. Larger upgrades, such as replacing an old garage door or adding a stone pathway, can provide a significant return on investment. Seasonal enhancements like holiday decorations or vibrant flower beds in spring make your home stand out and feel inviting. If you have a porch, staging it with cozy furniture or a swing can further boost its appeal. The idea is to create a space that looks and feels like a place buyers want to call home. Ultimately, curb appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it's about sending a message. A home that looks fresh, tidy, and cared for will entice buyers to explore further. Investing time and effort into your home's exterior can result in more showings, better offers, and most importantly, a faster sale.